Hello everyone, it's me Prey, and today we are learning about adverbs of frequency. These words tell us how often something happens. Let's go through them. Always means all the time. She always drinks coffee in the morning.
I always wake up early.
No. High school, I was always the kid that sat at the front of the...
Usually means most of the time. He usually goes for a run after work.
Does she usually knock?
That's odd. Usually they're quite punctual.
Frequently means often. They frequently visit their grandparents on weekends.
I smile frequently.
I myself am frequently inconsolable.
So people do it rather frequently.
Often means 70% of the time. We often eat out at our favorite restaurant.
How often do you all get hungry?
You gotta do this more often.
How often has this happened?
Okay. How often do you exercise?
Sometimes means 50% of the time. She sometimes reads before going to bed.
Sometimes we know about it, sometimes we don't.
Sometimes.
Sometimes we say that.
Sometimes we lie.
Occasionally, 30% of the time. He occasionally plays tennis with his friends.
And occasionally.
Occasionally it happens. Yeah.
This happens occasionally in Iceland, but...
Seldom, meaning not too often. It's a rare occasion. They seldom watch television.
Women are seldom charitable.
Seldom ruins sales.
Which my mother seldom missed.
Rarely means almost never. I rarely eat fast food.
Rarely.
Surprisingly rarely.
I know, and what I can prove rarely come together.
Rarely.
Never means never. He never smokes, so he doesn't smoke at all.
Never, never, never.
He's never tired. He's never miserable.
He never stops.
He never has and he never will.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget you can support me by buying me a coffee. Link is in the description box. Bye.